have now blocked this caller. You've been matched. Say hello.
Hi. What are you doing?
I'm just sitting down. I just entered my bathroom because I feel really safe here.
Oh, wow. Sounds really pretty.
Can you tell me I'm pretty one more time?
You sound really fucking hot.
Thanks.
What are you wearing?
I'm just wearing a tank top and some basketball shorts. Yeah.
Are you horny?
That depends. Like, what do you do on Thanksgiving?
Make a turkey and stuffing and stuff. What do you mean?
It's just really sexy. Like, Thanksgiving has been on my mind lately, and I think it's really sexy when you say turkey and stuffing.
How about when I say I want you to suck my dick? Tell me you want to suck my dick, baby.
Like a turkey leg?
Fuck yeah.
Tell me like a turkey leg. Tell me.
I want to hear you suck on my dick. Like a turkey leg.
Hell yeah.
Like it was my dick.
What?
I want to hear you on your finger. I want to hear you suck on your finger like it was my dick.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Can you moan for me while you do that? Can you moan for me while you do that?
Can I do it again?
Yeah, moan for me while you do that.
Okay, let me try to do it at the same time.
Okay.
How was that? Oh my god. It went down the wrong pipe.
Are you choking?
I am. It hurts.
I'm choking. Oh my god.
Oh my god, help.
Oh my god, kiss on her.
What kind of stuffing are you making?
Your one-on-one conference has ended. You've been matched. Say hello.